This is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the nearby share feature on this device. So first step is to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Once this step is out of the way, open the control center on your device by swiping downwards from the right part of the status bar, and among the available tiles find the one that says nearby share. Here it is in my case, then touch and hold on to it, and at the nearby share page simply switch on this little toggle. Next you can remove the device name for example, or set some, excuse me, I've said remove, but what I've really meant is rename. So I'll rename it to Hardy's, let's say A73. In here you can make your device invisible or visible respectively, and once visible you can make it so that it will be only visible to your devices, or to put it in other words, to the devices that you have the same Google account logged into, or make it so that only your contacts will be able to discover and trade files with your device through the nearby share. Or you can just make it simple and turn on the everyone mode, in which obviously everybody who is in range will be able to discover and move files to and from this device. So at this point the only thing left that you can change is the data mode that will be used for the transfer, and pretty much at this point the nearby share function or feature is all set up. So let me quickly test it out. So let's say I'll share this screenshot over here from other device I have on me. So we will wait for our device to get discovered, then tap on it. Next, accept the transfer at the receiver's end. Here it is. So accept and wait for the file, picture, or whatever it is that you are transferring to get received, or to get transferred. Alrighty. So as you can see, here it is. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.